guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be doing slime video. So now let's get started. Okay, so let's mix it in. Oh, and by the way, this is glow in the dark slime. So yeah, this is very thick. So I'm not sure if I'm supposed to put the shaving cream first or no, I'm just gonna put the shaving cream. Okay, ASMR. That's a lot of shaving cream. You know, I like fluffy colors. Is fluffy slime? Is that how it's called? I really don't know, and I really don't care. But you know, I just like slimes that are very fluffy. Oh my, this is very, it's already activated and I don't even have it to put the glue already. And please like and subscribe. Oh, and comment down below what's your favorite slime. Okay. Mix it very well. Okay. Oh my god. This looks like melted marshmallows. I just wanna eat it. Just wanna eat it. Okay. Then put more. Is it better if I put a lot of shaving cream? I really don't know. And really don't care. But okay. Don't fall. Okay, good. Okay. I said this is not even slime no more. This is just, you know, shaving cream. Okay, start mixing. Yeah. You know, I shouldn't put no more shaving cream. This is gonna be a mess. Oh my god. I think this is not even gonna be enough for the container. You know, I should. Anyways. Whoa. Yeah. You guys just want to hear the clicking sound, so better put the damn. I'm stressing too much. Okay. Whoa, yeah, this is not gonna fit. I don't think this is even glow in the dark no more. Watch, it's not gonna glow. Okay. Oh my god. This really looks like marshmallow. Okay. Yeah, this doesn't fit no more. Look, there's like right. I don't mix well. Whoa. This feels so fluffy. Yeah, it's like, oh my god. Okay. Now I shouldn't have touched it. No. I ain't trying to get messy today. Oh my god. Ah! You know, I think I'm just gonna go for the hand. Whoa, this is like marshmallow slime. You know what? I think I just found my name for this slime. Marshmallow. Whoa, this is very, it's like a cloud. I don't know what should I call it. Comment down below what should I call it. Okay. You know, you just gotta get everything out of there. This is so slippery. Now, this is my weapon. Anyone try to mess with me, you slap on the face. think it needs more activator. I'm gonna call it marshmallow though.
Nah, I'm more of a sea turtle than a tortoise. So.
Okay, that's a bunch. It's gonna go. This is a mess. This is a mess. Oh my god. My mom's gonna kill me. Anyways, I'll just clean it up. Yeah, I'm just a child having fun. No. Just a child.
I want some watermelon now.
Okay, yeah. Whoa. So damn fluffy. What? I think it glows. I really don't. I'm gonna try to put it on light because that's what they say. Put it on light, it glows in the dark. And I did it before and it worked. So we'll go and try to see if it glows in the dark. Yes or no.
I go down.
There's like a bunch of more slime in the bottom. I really. Oh no! This is very slimy and nasty. And I kind of regret putting a lot of shaving cream now.
Damn, you have no phone.
Oh, that sound. So nice.
So when I was raised, I really had it.
Whoa.
When we had internet. When we had DirecTV. He had a block shape.
I'm really bad.
And then the mom was over at school. And you would come back and go, hi, Mom.
Don't mind the background. It's just my sister talking.
Hi.
So yeah.
Did you put music somewhere?
Okay, so let's mix the other part. Mix. Mix, 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 mix. Okay. Why am I keep touching this slime? I don't know. There's like a whole damn layer behind this, and it's still. And yeah, this is not. I don't know what kind of tin I'm gonna use for this, but okay. I put a lot of shaving cream. I mean, activator. But that's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. No, it's not. It really not. I don't even think this is slime no more. Nasty. But okay. Okay, it's ASMR. It glows in the dark. Wow, I'm surprised. Maybe I didn't do it right. No, I didn't do it right. There we go. This is so very. Let's go try in the dark. Not right now, because my was on the restaurant. But it's okay, because, you know, in the meantime, I just keep doing this. This is mine. Just, whoa. Ready? Oh man, I thought it was gonna be that bad. I have an idea. It's not working. Cool. Pip. Nice. Well, I think that's enough for the video. Looks like we couldn't test if it would glow in the dark. But, you know, I think the video is pretty long. So, you know, didn't cut it. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe. And, yeah, have a wonderful day. Bye. Peace.